Hi guys, today I will unboxing latest Oppo mobile, Oppo Find X5 Pro. Latest model is coming three colors, black, white and blue. We'll unboxing this phone. Wow, this one. The paper. This one is the phone. My color is city blue, back cover is leader, and then open the box is available the same city blue color silicone cover and the charger data cable, and this one is the 80-watt charger 2 pin. That one is the charger base speaker and support is dual SIM, 3 camera and double flash with the new latest model. This is the privacy glass. Already the privacy sticker is available right now. Also you can remove this sticker. This phone's 12 GB plus 3 GB RAM memory. Processor is Snapdragon 8 first generation. The first generation. This one is the first processor is available only in Oppo Find X5 Pro. Sorry, mistake the name. And you can see they have so beautiful camera. That the sorry for the sticker is privacy. You cannot see the cameras very well, but the camera is so beautiful. 50x camera have zooming, and then is available quantity in Rosby Mobile. First cap, first take. All colors available. For the orders, contact me in my WhatsApp number available in description. Thank you for watching the video.